Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple ID has not yet been used with the iTunes Store or App Store. If you're using any iPhone or iPad or any other iOS device and you're facing this type of issue that whenever you try to purchase everything from using your Apple ID, or you might try to install any app from your App Store, you might see this type of error, which is Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes Store or with the App Store. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to go back from here and you have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. Then go back from here, open your settings app, go to general, and here just scroll down and look for VPN and device management, and just make sure you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect that. After disconnecting your VPN, just go back from here and go to language and region option, select region, and then select your own region in which you are living. After selecting your region, just go back from here and then go to date and time section. You have to select this toggle or enable this toggle to set your date automatically. And here just go to software update and try to update your software. After updating software, just go back and go to screen time section. Go to content and privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here. After doing this, just go back, open your App Store, tap on your profile option in the top right, then tap on your Apple ID, and here you must have to verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password, and then select country or region option from here, and you just have to select your own country or region in which you're living. So for example, I'm going to select this one from here, and once I have selected, just tap on continue option here, then tap on agree in the top right, and here you must have to enter your payment method. If you haven't entered any payment method, so you can enter it here. If you don't have any payment method, just select the none option from here, and then you have to enter your billing address, your street if it's required. These are optional, so you can skip them. And here enter your postcode. If you don't know about that, so you can search from Google, then enter your town, your country, your phone number, then your name, and after all, just tap on done option in the top right, and your country or region will be successfully changed, or your payment information will be changed, and after that, your billing information also will be updated. So after doing this, you can easily use your App Store or any other Apple service without an issue like that. So in this way, you can easily fix your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.